For you know, free sample mean your daddy lost the money.
Yes.
So she's in primary school. Well, I need to earn some money to support her to school. You know, it's very expensive. So that's why Yo-Yo will come with us to live stream, and she really like to be the salesman and have us to sell some LED. Huh? You are LED girl. Yes, and one Freddy, this one is 100, 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 6,000. We can give you discount. Do you remember how much I give you the customer today for the for 6,000? How much?
1,400.
No, sorry. 1,000 is what we sell before. But for the New Year's, we will give you the discount. So no, not free. You're not the general. I'm not the general. It's because it's 1,200 for that sample. Only for that sample.
Wow.
Yes, the man. Oh, this one. It's inside. It's coming. The new one. Thank you for the new one. Do you need it? You send me the information. Okay? The new customer. If you need a sample, just follow us. Just send us.